In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize technical indicators on Robinhood's advanced charts. This process is simple and straightforward, and by the end, you'll be able to enhance your trading analysis using Robinhood's built-in tools. Whether you're new to trading or just want to get the most out of Robinhood's platform, these steps will help you better understand market trends and make more informed decisions. First, start by logging into your Robinhood account through the official website. While Robinhood does offer a mobile app, the advanced charting features we're focusing on today are best accessed through the desktop platform. After you've entered your login details and signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see your portfolio and watch list. Next, decide which stock or exchange-traded fund, also known as an ETF, you'd like to analyze. You can easily find this by using the search bar, usually located at the top of the page. Simply type in the name or ticker symbol of the company or ETF that you're interested in. Once you see it in the search results, click on it to open its dedicated details page. Once you're on the stocks page, look out for the advanced chart option. You'll usually see this near the price graph. Go ahead and click on Advanced Chart. This takes you into Robinhood's more comprehensive charting environment, where you have access to a variety of technical tools and chart types. From here, locate the Indicators section. This is often found along the top or side of your chart workspace, clearly labeled for easy access. When you click on the Indicators section, a list of all available technical indicators will appear. Robinhood provides several popular options, such as moving averages, the Relative Strength Index, commonly known as RSI, and MACD, which stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. To add an indicator to your chart, simply click on the one you want. For instance, if you want to overlay a simple moving average, just click on Moving Average. Robinhood will immediately display that indicator on your advanced chart. If you'd like to add more, you can repeat this process and select additional indicators to have them show up simultaneously. After you've added an indicator, you can also customize its settings to fit your analysis style. To do this, simply click on the indicator directly on the chart. You'll then be able to adjust values such as the period length or other parameters, depending on the indicator type. Customizing these settings can help you tailor the data to your personal trading strategies, making your chart even more insightful. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly add and modify technical indicators on Robinhood's advanced charts. This will help you perform deeper technical analysis and make more thoughtful investment choices. Thanks for watching and happy trading.